Well, the axle on the George walk behind the drive system was all froze up, so I had to loosen it to get it working, or we had to. And then I'm looking at it, I'm seeing there's really quite a bit of wear in here, so it makes it a little hard to get proper adjustment when your wheels are going like that. So this particular tie rod on the old from the old 65 Sears Suburban is actually the right diameter. They have a slight hardness to them, which this should have too. So what I have to do is figure out all my angles for where this is flat or this is flat, and then what degree this is going off. All my measurements, spacing and whatnot. And then all that has to be transferred over to here. Weld it back together, clean it up, and it gives me a new shaft, because I don't like just putting crap together half-ass. I hate doing that. And when I'm selling something, I usually put more time into it, because I figure it's my name, my reputation on it. And another thing is, I don't like seeing things just fall apart. I prefer them to last for years and years and years. You know, if I'm going to work on it, I might as well do it the right way. And this is basically the right way. Not welding this up, not just leaving it, but actually replacing the shaft with a nice tight one. So, and yes, it's got some rust, but this is not like all pitted and everything. It's going to be a nice tight fit still. And it's a nice straight shaft, so it'll work good.